The practice of listening to subtle inner sounds during meditation to concentrate and elevate the mind has a long history in various religions around the world, including Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. Today, there are a number of new religious movements that have made listening to the inner sound current a cornerstone of their teachings. These groups include the Radha Swamis and their various branches, the Divine Light Mission, Ekankar, the Movement of Spiritual Inner Awareness, Masterpath, the Sawan Kripal Mission, Qinghai, Manav Mandir, the Isha Foundation, and a number of others. In this study, we provide a historical and comprehensive overview of these movements and how they have incorporated listening to the inner sound as part of their spiritual discipline. We are particularly interested in the distinctive and nuanced ways that each group teaches how to listen to the inner sound current and how they interpret it in their own unique theologies.